As a small creator, did you know that there is a new way that you can actually use to get your 1000 subscribers so fast without relying on posting any more videos on your YouTube channel? And this is just simple by using an AI tool that is absolutely free. Most creators don't even know that this tool exists, and this tool has been used by bigger creators like Mr. Beast. And I also use this tool, and it has really helped me get my 1000 subscribers fast. So I'm going to share with you how you can actually use this tool if getting your 1000 subscribers is your struggle. So just pay attention and let me take you through this tutorial. So just watch it till the end. First thing you need to do is to copy link to any of your videos, the video that you would want to use. So let me just show you that one. Tap on your YouTube studio, then content, then view all. So basically what I'm going to do here is to pick any video from here, any video that we are going to use. So when you are using this strategy, you don't have to post any videos. And I'm saying that this can be used by anyone who feels lazy in posting any more videos, but still you are going to get your 1000 subscribers in record time, probably 24 hours. So let me just use this video here, this one here. Let me tap on it and get the link. Tap on share video, then copy link. So pay attention closely where we are going to use this link. So close this one, then go to your Google, search. There we are. Then search. On your Google search, search Wayin AI. It's right there. Then tap on this one, the first one. So this is the interface of this application that we are going to use to get our 1000 subscribers first. So what you are going to do next is, you remember the link of the video that you just copied. So what you are going to do is to paste it here. But before we even proceed, let me show you some of the bigger YouTubers that are already using this app here. As you can see, these are some of the videos that perform well on YouTube that have been generated through this app. You see all these videos here from bigger YouTubers. Even Mr. Beast is here, as you can see. You see it here? So that's the way Mr. Beast basically gets many subscribers on his YouTube channel. So let me go straight to what I'm trying to show you here. So just paste your link here. It's already copied in my clipboard. So just paste it there, then tap on that one. You see our video is already pasted here. So what we are going to do next, what this tool can do is to find moments in the video, one-click viral clips, video summary and moments, video transcripts and animated captions in 100 plus languages. So that's basically what this tool can do. So what you are going to do next is to click here. We've already pasted our video link. So what you're going to do is to generate one-click viral clips. So this tool here is basically going to help us to generate some viral moments of our whole video. Our video is 12 minutes and 29 seconds. So this tool is going to break down this video into different viral clips that have the potential of going viral when we do shorts on them, or when we post them as short form videos. So that's how we are going to get our 1000 subscribers fast, because this tool is going to generate more than 5 different viral clips. So let's do that. click here, one click to grasp moments instantly, click on it. So even if you are lazy, you can still use this tool to get your 1000 subscribers, and you don't have to post any more videos or do any more videos, just the videos that you already have on your YouTube channel. So let's wait and see. So here we go. You see, it has generated for us these clips here. Let me just close that one. You see them? Very many clips. You see? It has basically highlighted the moments that have the potential of going viral, and there are 15 moments in total from our 12-minute video. So we can pick any here and download. And as you can see, they are all ranked. So let's tap on this first one and see. Let's open it. You see it's generating even the hashtags that you're going to use for your short form videos, as you can see there. And the captions are already on, so they can read on the screen. And you can even translate that in several languages. So to download, tap on export. Then export the quality you can select. Just for the purpose of this demonstration, let me just pick 720. You can pick a higher quality, then export. And this is a disclaimer. Make sure that the video that you're using to generate viral moments in this app, they are your own videos. Don't use anyone else's video. Make sure they are your own videos so that you don't get into copyright issues or you don't infringe copyright. So let's just say that this video is our own, then confirm. So it's already exporting. So we are in the home page. So let's see the video that we just exported. So tap on library here. Then this is our original video that we used to generate viral clips. So tap on exported here to see the video that we just exported. You see it's right here. Now this is the video that we are going to use for our YouTube shorts. And this tool has just made it easier for us to identify the parts that have the potential of going viral on our entire video. So when you upload this part here, this short part here as a YouTube short, then you have the potential of going viral and getting more subscribers on your YouTube channel. And remember that this tool just generated 15 key moments for us. So you can use all the 15 moments for different uploads. For example, you can upload 4 today, 4 tomorrow, then 4 another day, which means that if 4 can give you a total of, let's say, 200 subscribers every day, then it means that you can hit 1000 subscribers in record time in less than 1 week. Even if you are lazy, you are not posting more videos, just your existing videos. So that's how this tool is powerful. Just download this one here. It's already downloading. You can open it and see. There it is. Let's play it. You see, this tool has generated for us the captions and all that. You see how this tool is powerful? So we can just post this on our YouTube shorts and get our subscribers so fast. It's just that simple. So start implementing this strategy with this tool today, and you will see yourself getting 1,000 subscribers so fast and monetize your YouTube channel. So if you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others so that they could also benefit from it. And if you love more contents like this, where I do share some hidden tools and more YouTube growth tips, please do hit that subscribe button so that any other time I drop a video, you never miss an update. See you in the next video.